We've got a lot of different areas to cover on the motorcycles. On this one, we're going to cover three major areas. First will be leather care of the saddlebags, seat, panels. We will also cover naugahyde seat care, backrest, passenger, and main sitting area of the rider. And finally, we will cover windshield care on this motorcycle. Let's follow along. The three main products that we'll use on leather care today are the Harley-Davidson Rejuvenator treatment for black leather. We will also use Harley-Davidson leather dressing. Leather dressing can be used on both black and distressed brown leather. Black Rejuvenator treatment is only used on the black leather, and we always start off with it first. The product that I like to use to apply these to the leather saddlebags and seat area are Harley-Davidson soft cloth. On black leather, we always start off with the Rejuvenator first before moving on to the leather dressing. It is quite messy, so please be careful. Don't do it in your white linen suit. Following the same general rules that we did for chrome cleaning and wax application, we try to do it in a circular motion. Make sure to work around any decorative spots or rivets that may be on there. Don't forget about your braids. And getting close up to the bead. What this does, it helps nourish the leather product and bring back to life the black coloring of the leather that gets sun faded and damaged by UV rays over the life of the bike. So this gives it also a UV protective coating to slow down the harmful rays that we know exist out here. I like to use this product often. I would say at least twice a month to keep your leather working well. Now you can use this on a variety of black leather products. You got a black leather jacket, works well on that also. You could even use it on your boots if you'd like. The sequence is always to put the black leather Rejuvenator on first, let it soak in, as it were, and then we're going to follow it up with the leather dressing. The leather dressing is going to be the overall coat on top that's going to maintain a shine and add even more protection. And then we will end up buffing it out with another clean soft cloth. The good thing about soft cloths that I'm using is after we're done, we can toss them. They come in a large bundle. We don't have to keep them around after they're dirty. The black leather Rejuvenator applied to these saddlebags makes an incredible difference. Take a look at treated and untreated. Dramatic. After we've applied that, we are now going to go into the next step of leather care on these saddlebags. This gives an added layer of protection, helps rainproof it, and helps protect against UV damage. Same process, circular motion, making sure to cover every square inch of these saddlebags. After we've fully applied the leather dressing over the top of the leather Rejuvenator, it's time to go ahead and buff it out, get our final sheen before we continue on to the next step. With a clean, soft cloth, We're going to work it back and forth and around in circles, whatever is best to clear off any excess. See the shine coming out. It's not artificial. This is going into the leather. This also helps clean off any of your chrome rivets and decorative items on the saddlebag, leaving it factory fresh once again. Well, this is going to finish off our leather saddlebag care. If you have leather seats, leather skirting on your seats, leather tank panels, this is the same process that we use for all leather products. What we're going to step to next is going to be care for naugahyde. Naugahyde is a man-made leather basically, and it's what we use. It's extremely strong, weather resistant, but it gets dirty, needs to be cleaned and treated also. So we're going to do that on the backrest, passenger pillion, and the seating area of this seat. All Harley-Davidson seats, as you can see on other models, are all made of naugahyde. So this next section is covered by seat, saddlebag, and trim cleaner. Comes in an easy to use bottle. Wipe it vigorously. Getting off quite a bit of dirt even on a freshly washed bike. A good benefit of this is it's not going to leave your seat too slippery so that you're going to be sliding around. So although it cleans and protects the naugahyde, it doesn't make it slick. Good news if you want to stay on your bike. Windshields are made of Lexan. Optically a great product. However, we need to use special products for that. Key among these are Novus 2 and Novus 1 windshield care. To get out the fine scratches, we're going to start off with Novus 2. It's a liquid. Sometimes it separates, so give it a good shake ahead of time. Apply to a completely clean and dry windshield. A little bit on your rag and in a circular motion. Now this has light abrasive in it, so it's going to remove some of the fine scratches that are going to cause you some starring at night from oncoming headlights. After we've applied the fine scratch remover to the Lexan windshield, it's dried. Now I'm going to remove the residue with my microfiber cloth. We'll do this and then we're going to apply step 1, the cleaning and shining product from Novus. Okay. That's all off. Now we use the plastic clean and shine. It is a liquid. As all of our liquids, let's give it a good shake. On this one, we're going to wipe off immediately. This is the product that you use most of the time. You won't use your fine scratch remover every time you wash. What I'm doing right now is applying a windshield water repellent treatment. What this does, it puts a protective coat on the Lexan to aid in water beading and runoff so that in the rain, your visibility is going to be much better. Comes out of this and it is wet. So when you're done using it, please go ahead and make sure you close this top so the rags don't dry out.